Now, this video shows some things that happened when one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone collided with a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. And the collision caused one of those motor vehicles to overturn viewing subscribers. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about the health of anyone pertaining to the situation, you understand me? But based on how the area looked in the video, I somewhat wonder about the health of at least one of those motorists. Based on certain things that you can see in the video, you can leave a comment or comments to let me know which one of these motorists might be at fault when it comes down to the incident. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Now, based on what I saw in the video, viewing subscribers, I assume that the way how a motorist used the motor vehicle to go around a corner might have contributed to the incident, viewing subscribers. But leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. Oh, and you can check out other videos that I post on my YouTube channel as well. So I'm saying to you, yeah, here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.